one rover each, and the challenge is, do you see a start point here nearby there? Do you see a start point?
You have to show something to the cam, and then after it will like make like cool stuff on it. Like we did like analyzing from the AI. We had to show a picture to the laptop and it analyzed it so it can remember how, like, what is it, and like, I mean,
fun, amazing, and we had a great time playing with all our friends, enjoying. We made robots that move with using the solar panels that they gave us.
They had fun for the 3 activities. They really enjoyed it. So I really highly recommend this place.